Hello everyone, let's learn to cook with me. Today I will show you how to make shrimp paste fried rice. Add vegetable oil in hot pan. Add garlic, then add palm sugar to fry till get aroma. Add shrimp paste. Add sugar to make better taste. To taste again. Add habit sugar. To fry rice with shrimp paste sauce. Break the egg to fry. To cook the sweet pork. Add seasoning and black soy sauce. To cook sausage. Served with lemon chalachala grinked bean green mango. Fried egg cooked sausage sweet pork fried rice with shrimp paste. Shrimp paste fried rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. See you next videos.